Hey there, Cake Nistas.
Hi, Cake Nistas.
It's just me.
We're here away for Mommy's birthday. This is my mommy.
Happy birthday. I thought you were trying to give me a high five when you did that.
And my sister's here too. She's off to the side. So for this video, we're going to be tasting all of these really crazy flavored Peeps. I was in Five Below shopping for like paper, and I saw all these Peeps and I just started grabbing them. I don't even like Peeps. So we have hot tamales flavor.
Mmm, scary.
Sparkly wild berry. Those actually look like they're going to be delicious. Yeah. And then I also have cotton candy. These are really cute too. What do you have?
The days of yellow are gone, I guess. I
Yellow,
have
blue, and pink.
donut shot coffee and fruit punch.
And then you also have, what are those, lollipops?
Pop-up.
Those are Peeps lollipops, pop-up stuff. The first one that we're going to try, how about wild berry?
Okay, let's do it.
I feel like that's the obvious tasty one.
Okay. That was nice.
Smell?
Oh,
that smells really good.
Like fruit, of course.
It smells like flavored lip gloss.
Flavored lip gloss,
yeah.
And it's hard to get out. It has some texture on it. It has a little chocolate nose and mouth.
Oh, it's nice and soft.
Yeah, soft.
Little purple sprinkles.
Are we ready?
Let's show the Cake Nistas first.
Mmm.
It's a Peep for sure. But it tastes fruity.
It's not bad.
It has a real fruit kick on the inside. Like a little kid may love it, right?
That candy is sour. Is that candy sour?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I like about it. I don't like things that are just sweet. I like them to have a little bit of tartness to them. And it's good.
It's a little tart.
Very good.
I mean,
it sounds dangerous. Just smell it.
Whoa.
I can smell it.
It's literally like somebody just made some coffee.
It
like
smells
this.
exactly like donut shop coffee.
Thank
It smells
you.
like we have to go to work and do
It's stressful.
at work. Yeah. It smells like stress, like a Monday morning.
Like, good morning. Oh, good morning.
Yeah.
It just smells like good coffee.
It smells like 8 hours of I wish I could go home.
It smells like being trapped at a desk.
In a cubicle?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What is that, brown sugar?
And it tastes like sadness too. I mean, not good.
It's a lot of sugar.
It's too much.
It's really soft.
If you like coffee, you'll love this. If you're a
It
coffee,
tastes like coffee.
It does. It tastes like
it's
coffee on sugar.
definitely, it tastes like a good cup of coffee, but you know.
this would
with
be
cream
great
in
in
it.
some hot chocolate, wouldn't it?
Drop it in.
Hot chocolate and coffee, but
Let it melt.
Yeah.
it's so soft. It's softer than the other one.
Sit it right on top of your mug of coffee.
That would be cute.
And it would sweeten it. You wouldn't need any sugar.
Yep.
I like that.
A
But
little bit
it
delicious.
does really taste like the.
It's strong
Coffee
coffee.
shop.
This is a great purpose Peep. It's great for a hot chocolate or a coffee. Nothing like a Peep with a purpose. I feel like cotton candy is gonna be so sweet. I feel like this is gonna be the obvious delicious one. It smells like those Twizzlers that come individually packaged, like individual.
like
Twizzlers.
not-
It smells like.
Artificial goodness.
It smells like a doll baby that's supposed to be fruity smelling. You know those toys that
Oh
smell fruity?
yeah. Scratch its head and smell strawberry.
Yeah,
Talk about red.
And it comes in, there are more of them in the pack than the
Yeah,
others, right?
that's pretty good. I think they're a little bit more expensive too.
What shape is it? What animal?
It's the Peep. It's the duck, right?
It's
I thought
duck.
Peeps were like.
Aren't Peeps ducks?
Aren't Peeps
I
bunnies?
think Peeps are bunnies.
Yeah.
I'm confused. I was born at like not too long ago, so I don't know. It's so
It
soft.
tastes like the doll baby too. Like if you
Yeah.
were to try to eat the doll baby. It tastes like artificial flavoring and coloring and generic fruit punch. Like the kind that you buy at the dollar store.
Not even Hawaiian punch.
No. Really
Not
off-brand.
even Tropico, because Tropico is okay.
It tastes the way the Fabuloso
That's what I was
smells.
thinking.
No.
Yeah, it tastes like
I'm
put the
done.
rest in your napkin.
They look cute. They have little blue dots on them.
They smell like cotton candy. You like it? You didn't get it? Let me squeeze.
I don't smell anything.
Come
I
on.
smelled it.
Well, I guess get
Oh,
close
I
to
smell it. Yeah, I smell
Get
it.
close
It
to
smells like
yours.
cotton candy. They're cute.
Cotton candy.
It smells like. Do you have lotion on your hands?
No.
The color's
It's
really
super
cute.
cute.
The color is cute.
I bet the blue is a different
Sticky.
flavor from the pink.
It's a Peeps, so it's like artificially.
No, we need a napkin
Artificially
to put
enhanced.
this down on.
It's not very strong or anything. It's
I
not
think
like
it's
woo-ha.
really bad, guys. I think that the cotton candy ones are worse than the fruit punch.
Me
and
too.
the fruit punch is really bad.
The fruit punch is really bad.
So
I think that the cotton candy is the lesser of two stinkies.
So this is pop-ups.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what this.
So it's a lollipop store. When you don't feel like finishing your lollipop, they're marshmallow flavored.
but they're lollipops.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
It smells like the clapper. Remember?
Uh-huh.
I had one of those little toys.
Oh, it's yellow.
I like the color.
Me too.
The color is bright and cheery. It looks inviting, like you want to try it. Oh, like a yellow peep. Okay, then you put. All right.
Look at that. Look
Oh,
at
funky,
really close.
fresh.
Maybe you have to push it down
It's not
some
even
more.
cooked,
Oh.
yeah. Who put that up? Banana?
No, it's supposed to taste like marshmallow.
Oh.
I guess.
Oh.
I don't know. I look for flavor in a lollipop. The butter flavored jelly bean.
We need to talk to Mr. Peep about all these.
We harmonize on the weekends. If you like to book us, that's fine.
Scary. Ooh, it smells like
Same color as the fruit punch. That could be a fun prank.
Wow. It is the same color.
Same
They
exact
should have
color.
made it, brown.
Darker. I thought it would be dark.
Brown red. Red
They
brown.
could have combined the coffee color, the brown.
Oh, man.
You're gonna just take a little bite of something that, wow, she took the nose off.
Smart.
It tastes exactly like Big Red bubblegum. It's not hot.
Yeah, it's not spicy.
It's not spicy. It just tastes like that Big Red,
Hot
which I
tamale.
like. I like that gum. So
Me too.
So would you eat a bunch?
would I eat a bunch? Probably not. I would eat one. Because you know that gum isn't something that you want to swallow.
I
It's
love
like
that
it's just gum.
Would you call this fierce cinnamon?
No.
It's not fierce cinnamon, but it is cinnamony.
It's good.
I like it.
And it's definitely not hot at all.
It's just a tamale.
It is literally not
So-
hot. That was a lot.
What's the opposite of fierce?
Passive.
Peaceful
I don't know. It's not even mild tamale. It's not neutral
You should call
tamale.
it Big Red.
So you were
It's just
looking
Big
for the
Red.
heat,
I didn't want it.
but you were
So I was
expecting it because if
expecting
they're
that.
gonna put it on the package, it can be hot.
Like truth in advertising.
Yeah. And you definitely
But-
false advertising.
But it's tasty. I would give it a 4 for tastiness.
This looks so sad the way the nose is just missing from the one. I like it though.
I mean, oh,
My stomach hurts. So my first one would be coffee, the coffee one. I think that's
That was
the
your
best to
number
me.
5?
Yes. The one I like the second best, I think, is the wild berry. And then after that, the cotton candy, then the hot tamales, and the fruit punch.
The hot tamales are that low for you?
Well, I had to do 1 to 5.
I would give the wild berry a 5.
Wow.
I would give the coffee a 4. Even though I don't like coffee, the hot tamales a 3. 2 is
Cotton candy.
tied for last place. Is the fruit punch and the cotton candy. They're both nasty.
Well, mine is easy. I think maybe 5, yeah, for the coffee for me, and then 4 for the hot tamale, 3 for the wild berry, 2 for the fruit punch, and then
Cotton
no,
candy, the last?
2 for the cotton candy, and then the last be the fruit punch. I never need to have the fruit punch again. Oh, and then the lollipop that's over there doesn't even really matter, really. It just tasted like sweet butter. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.
It was silly, right?
Something sweet for Easter. Thanks to my sister for joining us. And my mommy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Bye, Cake Pieces.
Why does mommy always have to be off key?
Am I?
Yes.
It's
Okay.
not me anymore.
What do you mean? Like soprano?
No,
Bye. You go.
no, we're both going bye cake nieces. You're like bye cake nieces. Let's
It's
try
too
it
much.
again.
1, 2, 3. Bye, cake nistas.
Bye, cake nistas.
Anybody else have heartburn from the Peeps? Is it almost 11?
Yes.
Are you still?
Almost 11:57.
Not
Almost
really.
11.